out here, man, city. Friday morning, with the weed out, and they dip into my pocket for my back weed sack, 'cause I wanna get high.
Okay, welcome back. I'm sitting here with Josh. I'm assuming you can tell us a lot about the Solis Tek Ballasts that I've actually brought on my channel before. Interesting product, fabulous, very popular here in British Columbia, Canada. And yeah, Josh, please tell us more about the Solis Tek. Having tested it, my viewers know already. I stand by your product. I think it's fabulous. I think it's very interesting to be able to meet you. And I would love you to let our audience know exactly about the Solis Tek, because it is the leading ballast this year on the market.
Absolutely. Well, I appreciate it. Thank you very much for one. Solis Tek, we are the only software integrated ballast on the market. With that, we have two different types of technology. We have a safety check, which checks 8 different variables before it even fires a lamp. We also have ignition control, which is sequential lighting. So the ballasts fire 3 to 5 seconds in between each other. That obviously helps for your power surges and spikes and things like that. As far as that goes, like I said, we do have the 2 different types of technology involved. We also measure less than 10% THD, which is total harmonic distortion. What that is used for basically is to achieve full spectrum lighting. With our ballast running as fast as it is significantly quicker than any other ballast on the market, running anywhere between 85 to 120 kilohertz a second. So with that, we have to kind of step our game up and go with the low THD.
And your par rating, I believe, was one of the best. Right in the right. What is it, 485 nanometers?
Correct.
Okay.
Correct. Yeah. They just did a bunch of testing from a grower's house down in Arizona. They actually threw some testing out for that, and that's what it's running at.
Excellent. That's fabulous. No, I've seen nothing but positive responses, not from just myself, but from many of the legal medical growers out there. And we really appreciate having that kind of product coming out. USA, CSA, I believe, approved. Most importantly is the smart chip technology. Maybe tell us a bit about that. That's what really, to me, having a built-in timer on the 1000-watt version anyway, and the smart chip technology, that's something to me is really what's fundamental for people, that when we have issues of people saying, oh, well, there's a fire concern, there's that concern, you know, how safe is the digital ballast?
Well, our digital ballast, because of the SenseSmart technology, like I said, it goes through 8 different variables before it even strikes a lamp. So if there's anything wrong with it at all, it'll just shut the ballast down. We're the safest ballast on the market. We're not going to burn your house down. You know, that's basically the way it's rolling.
Exactly, and that's why I love promoting it, and that's why our company loves to carry it. So, I mean, they're my sponsors, but, you know, having them give that to me and say, here, go ahead and do this, it's been a lot of fun, and thank you for coming on the show and bringing it to us. Like I said, here in BC, it's off the hook, and I'm sure it's only going to grow for you from here. How long you been going with Solis Tek now?
I've been working with Solis Tek now for a year. I'm their national sales rep, so, you know, I'm kind of bouncing around all over the country now, just trying to get our word out. You know, Green Planet, obviously, they are a Canadian distributor. Awesome group of people. Great products. You know, 1 year, the Solis Tek's been around. We've been around 4 years now. So we've been able to maintain the lowest failure rate, you know, in the industry as far as that goes. Definitely a stand-up ballast. Definitely stand up.
I also come out on top this year, and that's from some of the magazines I've read anyway, so I think that's awesome. Once again, Josh, thank you very much for coming on. Cheers.
Well, business is blossoming at a hydroponic shop in BC. Sales have been smoking hot ever since 2 U.S. states legalized marijuana. The company, called Green Planet, carries everything anyone would need to grow plants, any kind of plants, indoors. In Colorado, it is now legal to have 6 marijuana plants in a secure area.